Hey everybody, welcome to Old Dog Homestead. I'm Bill. Today going to put in a HoseLink hose reel that Denise bought. We're going to be putting this up in the front part of the house, just to make it easier. One for her mom, who does a lot of the watering for us up there, to take the hose in and out. It's self-retractable. It's got really high reviews, so I'm just going to secure it to a 4x4 post and use a 4x4 post spike to put it in the ground. We're going to see if that works. If not, then I'll actually have to bury the 4x4. But I'm trying to use a piece of scrap that I have that's about 42 inches long, instead of buying a whole other 4x4. So I'm going to try to get into this and take you along. So here's the whole deal. Comes nicely packaged, so it goes on the bracket, which is right there. That mounts to a 4x4. You can also mount this to masonry. So if you're a brick home, you could literally just mount this right to that, or cement, or whatever, basement foundation. Comes with the hose sprayer. This is, I believe, the hose length on this is 85 feet. And then over here is the feeder hose that comes off the faucet from the house. It comes with all the hardware you need to mount it outside of the 4x4 or whatever wood or whatever you're going to use to actually mount it. It also comes with extra washers for the hose connections. These are quick connect as well, which is also a nice thing. So it comes with a template and easy to read instructions. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the 4x4 set to drill some pilot holes, and we'll get this thing in the ground and working. Okay, so it says you can use a 3/16 or 11/64 drill bit to drill your pilot holes. I got a 3/16 here, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm going to put the bracket on. So it has these hex head screws. It goes along with a washer. So I'm going to pop those in place.
Okay. Oh, are you filming too?
I am.
You are awesome. Are you filming right now?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
You heard it, folks. She said I'm awesome. I have video evidence. She says I'm awesome. But I'm going to need an extension, I think. Okay, easy peasy. So this is it's called an easy spike, and it just pounds into the ground. It's I don't even know how long this is. It's got to be about 3 feet long. With 4x4s, it goes in the top. Pound that into the ground, and then I can hook up this hose link. I'm going to use 1.5 inch by 1/4 inch galvanized heavy duty connectors, rated for outdoor. And so I'm just going to get Miss Denise to let me know where exactly she wants this to go, and we'll get this baby placed. So this is where we're going to put this. This is kind of the west corner of the house. So they'll allow us to take the hose over because we have some black lace elderberries we planted over around the side here. And then also obviously we'll be able to water the front garden as well. So I'm using this 2x4 as a sacrificial piece of wood so I can pound this thing in. I was going to use a scrap piece of 4x4, but if I pounded that in there I wouldn't be able to get it back out. So we're going to get this in. You get to watch me sweat. So we got it in the ground. Not as square as I'd like to the building, but it'll be fine. But I had to pull it out a couple of times because it was really kind of twisting as I was pounding it in. But there's some rock down there. I think it was hitting that and causing it to twist. So going to get the 4x4 in and then get the HoseLink on. Of course, that goes in there. What?
It's beautiful.
So one thing I found out in putting this in, setting it as close to the house as we did, was the fact that 2 of the other access holes for the screws are on the back side, and I can't get the driver in there, so I'm going to have to do it with a ratchet. I hope I can do it with a ratchet, but we'll find out. These are self-tappers, so hopefully this works. Okay, so got the post secured. Gonna actually put the hose link up on the post. This has this pin something like that. What's nice is it basically gives you, you know, like 180 degree radius to turn it and pull it from, you know, wherever you need it. So that is pretty cool. And this is the piece, or the hose that hooks up to the faucet, which is right here. So we'll get that. Alright, so I'm just going to try to get this hooked up. One thing we found was you put this piece on. It's basically like a quick connect type of thing. There just isn't enough room with this brick facade we have here. So we had this on the IBC tote out back. So I'm just going to pop this on here, and that should solve our problem. That's locked in. Alright. Everything left is to pull this out and test it. See if we got any leaks. What's nice is it's got a controller right on the end of this spray head. You just do that, it shuts it off. It also has one down here that will shut it off. So literally, you really don't need to shut it off at the spigot coming out of the house. Of course we would, but just in case there is a leak. But yeah, and then when you go to roll it up, all you got to do is give it a tug and just walk it back. Easy peasy, nice and easy. Makes life easier for everybody. So I'm going to take y'all off the tripod, so stand by. There might be a little earthquake here. There we go. So again, this is, you know, like I said, that swings out. It's kind of hidden back here behind these little trees we have here in the corner. And that, for the winter time, all we have to do is pop that out and it will drain, you know, make sure there's no water in the hose, drain it out, and we'll store it in our shed. But yeah, that's pretty much it, folks. I hope you found this informative. Hopefully it gives you some ideas. So go ahead and please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell. Leave a comment. Any suggestions or questions, we'll be more than happy to try to answer them. And as always, take care. We'll see you next time. God bless.